I want to go over now the operation controls and maintenance on the semi-automatic machines. Looking down here, initially you have the air filter. That has a little sight gauge and sight bowl in it, so you can check that occasionally and see if it needs to be emptied out. And you also have the pressure regulator. Your regulator should be set to deliver at about 80 psi. And then you have the lubricator. This should be set on the sight gauge here for 2 drops per minute under normal operation, and it contains about a 10-hour supply of oil. So you should probably check that on a daily basis to see if it needs to add any oil. I recommend putting in 10-weight oil. And up here we have the speed control valve. You can speed it up, slow down for different operations. And the forward, neutral, and reverse for grinding. And now coming over to the other side, this would be a typical position for operation. So you would say set for forward, set for grinding right-hand drills, neutral, and when you're in the neutral position, you can turn the knob here on top, and then in the reverse position, we're going backwards for left-hand drill. Then you can speed up and slow down with speed control. Normal operating speeds would be about 35 RPM for the grinding with the camming, and when you're not grinding with the cam, say spin grinding, we'd have about 50 RPM.